Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and an interesting little survey that was done. Nothing official, but at least, they ask questions. A website called savings.com has actually asked 1,042 adult PC users if they planned to upgrade to Windows 11. So the first thing that is interesting here, and I'm not totally surprised, if you talk about everybody that uses a PC, the first surprise comes with the fact that about 62% were totally unaware that Windows 11 is a thing and existed. And so it's kind of interesting because basically this is funny because, here in this channel, we are, of course, kind of computer geeks a little more than the average person. And so it shows because what happens is, you guys know what's happening. You guys know that there's such a thing as a Windows 11 operating system because of the channel here, because of what you follow here. But 62%. So that's a lot of people. That the majority of people have no idea Windows 11 is something. So that's already a problem with the fact that people don't know, but it's not out yet. So, once computers start getting out there with that installed on it, I guess that's going to be a little more people will know about Windows 11. Now, if you take only the portion that knows Windows 11 exists, so the 40% that knew Windows 11 was a thing, 41% say they will upgrade to Windows 11. 45% say they are unsure what they're going to do. And of course, 14% will not upgrade. That means if you look at 14% will not upgrade, of all the PC users, that means that there's quite not a lot of people, if you're compatible, most people want to upgrade or unsure. So, the unsure people will probably are the ones that are going to wait. They're going to wait until, they see that it works well and that there's no glitches and problems. And that proportion will probably change at some point. But these are interesting numbers, actually. What are the most exciting features of Windows 11? 38% have no idea what is important, interesting in Windows 11. Then 14% say that the ability to run Android apps is kind of interesting. And 13%, the new appearance is interesting. And 13%, game boosting capabilities. So, it's kind of interesting to see that. Obviously, people have not that much of an idea of what to expect in Windows 11 from these low numbers of what people are excited about. But having 60% of people already not knowing Windows 11 exists, and that 45% of the 40% that do know are unsure if they will update, kind of interesting to see how this is going to play out as the months go by and the first PCs show up with Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.